Question number 5 are multiple choice questions to practice application problems related with vector addition. A sailboat is headed west at 200 kilometers per hour and is met with a wind heading north at 50 kilometers per hour. What is the resultant velocity? Now I'd like you to pause the video, solve, select the answer, and then look into my suggestion. Now first let's sketch the scenario and then we'll work out the details. So let's make our coordinate plane. That to start with, that's always the best thing to do. A sailboat is headed west at 200 kilometers per hour. So we can represent this as a vector. Let's say that's the vector which is 200 kilometers. Let us say represents 200, and that is the west direction for us, right? So this is north and this is west. And is met with a wind heading north at 50 kilometers per hour. So we'll try to draw 1/4 of this to represent 50 kilometers per hour, right? So that becomes 50 kilometers, and then we get our resultant, which is we can join them, right? So that is velocity resultant, right? So we have 50 here. This is because of the wind. We need to find VR along with the angle. So angle you can get with tan inverse, right? So tan theta equals to 50 over, let's say this is theta for us, right? 50 over 200, right? And that gives us theta equals to tan inverse of, you can always simplify it. We'll write 1 over 4, okay. So 0 and 0, and 5 goes 4 times. So we can write 1 over 4. Let's use the calculator. Second function, tan inverse of 1 divided by 4 is equals to 14.03. So approximately, let's write 14.03 for the time being. So this is the angle theta for us. Now let's try to find the magnitude, right? So magnitude, you can use sine or cosine. Now we know the angle. Or you can use Pythagorean theorem, right? So let's use Pythagorean theorem to find VR, which is 50 square plus 200 square equals to, and then square root. We get 50 square root 17, which is equals to 206.15. 6.15. So that is closest to 0.2 given to us. So the angle is 14 degrees, but this is from west towards north. Now let's see the options. What do we have? So first is, well, the angles match for the first and second combination. So this is north, from north 14 degrees, while this 14 degrees is not from north, it is from west. And here we have north 76 degrees. So this is indeed 90 minus, let's say 14, which is 76, right? So option A is the right option. So that is how we can get the right answer in such cases. I hope you find it interesting. Now we have these multiple choice questions which are kind of simpler, and then we have short answer questions. I'll recommend you to subscribe and look into more questions related with vectors. Thank you and all the best.